3, 2, 1.
Dating from the 5th century BC, what is the name of the Asian philosopher who wrote the Analects? The answer is B. Confucius. Which statement describes how energy can be helpful? The answer is C. Electricity heats an oven. Which is not a domesticated animal? The answer is A. Lion. The rings of what planet can be easily seen from Earth? The answer is C. Saturn. What do fungi produce to digest nutrients? The answer is D. Exoenzymes. In phonetics, which of these is an example of a fricative sound? The answer is C. The th in think. What time did the Titanic strike the iceberg? The answer is B. 11:40 p.m. In the country of Papua New Guinea, how many children does the average woman give birth to during her lifetime according to 2006 estimates? The answer is D. 4.6. What kind of structure do purines have? The answer is D. Double ring structure. Which part of a cat's eye reflects light? The answer is D. Tapetum lucidum. Electric substations have what devices which use electromagnetic induction to increase or decrease the voltage of the current? The answer is D. Transformers. What is the solution to the equation 3x plus 7 equals 22? The answer is C. 7. What bird is featured on the national flag of Papua New Guinea? The answer is C. Ragavana, bird of paradise. The chemical used by the ants to weed their garden turns out to be what kind? The answer is B. Formic acid. Which moon takes less time to rotate than it takes to orbit Earth? The answer is A. Moon. Frogs and toads have long back legs which are specialized for what action? The answer is D. Jumping. Who portrayed Grace Adler's father in the Will and Grace TV series? The answer is D. Alan Arkin. I have the Eiffel Tower and the Champs-Élysées. Who am I? The answer is C. France. Which kingdom includes mushrooms and toadstools? The answer is B. Fungi. Which movie won the Best Picture Oscar in 1994? The answer is A. Forrest Gump. Which of these wrestlers did not win an IWGP Championship title in the 20th century? The answer is A. Chris Jericho. I'm a compound that is used to clean greasy surfaces and can be found in many laundry detergents. What am I? The answer is B. Sodium lauryl sulfate. I'm a painter covering the town in colors. What am I? The answer is D. Rainbow. Which sci-fi show features a spaceship called Serenity? The answer is B. Firefly. Which mountain range forms the border between Russia and China? The answer is D. Himalayas. Who was manager of the Boston Red Sox when they won their first World Series in over 90 years? The answer is C. Terry Francona. What two teams played in the 1989 World Series? The answer is C. SVS Giants. Which tool is used to cut paper or cloth? The answer is D. Hammer. Which famous person was born Carlos Irwin Esteves? The answer is A. Charlie Sheen. Sea walls and breakwaters are built parallel to what? The answer is C. Shore. What is the general name for the homogeneous mixture that is formed when a solute dissolves in a solvent? The answer is C. Solution. Who was the first female reporter on the show 60 Minutes? The answer is C. Diane Sawyer. What organ packages nutrients absorbed by the digestive system, produces plasma proteins, clotting factors, and bile, and disposes of worn-out cell components and waste products? The answer is B. Liver. Which character from Game of Thrones has the nickname The Mountain Who Rides? The answer is D. Gregor Clegane. What poet, honored with 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry, wrote the 1922 poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening? The answer is C. Robert Frost. DNA segments cross over to form what kind of chromosome? The answer is D. Recombinant. Which is a quick process that can form new land near an ocean? The answer is C. Volcano erupting. Convection is the transfer of thermal energy by particles moving through what? The answer is B. Fluid. I'm used to hold food, yet I don't eat. What am I? The answer is D. Oven mitt. What term refers to wasting away or degeneration of a muscle? The answer is D. Atrophy. What is a mandolin used for? The answer is B. Peeling vegetables. What is the capital city of Lithuania? The answer is C. Vilnius. I'm worn on your feet, have holes for your toes, and are often made of leather. What am I? The answer is A. Shoes. What transmits nerve impulses to other cells? The answer is B. Neurons. What is the only ocean without a coastline in an independent sovereign state? The answer is D. Arctic. Mark Twain made several costly investment mistakes in his lifetime and even had to declare bankruptcy. What was the invention in which he refused to invest? The answer is A. The telephone. I'm vast, salty, and home to sea creatures. What am I? The answer is C. Ocean. What do you call a group of flamingos? The answer is D. Pat. What caused the tragedy with the Saudi Flight 163 on August 19, 1980? The answer is B. Fire. What does unequal heating of the atmosphere cause?